You guys, today we're making the viral Bella Hadid pasta. It is her pine nuts and prosciutto pasta that she put on TikTok. She didn't give us all the recipe, but you can just watch her step by step, and that's what we're doing today. We're gonna recreate it, and hopefully we do it correct. So, you guys ready to have some pasta for dinner?
Hopefully it's good.
So the first thing we need to do is start toasting our pine nuts. We need a little olive oil.
I'm gonna not do the olive oil, and that was one of the things where I don't know, do we follow the recipe? But I toast pine nuts all the time when I make pesto, and I don't use olive oil, and it toasts just fine. So I'm gonna stick with what I know. And then Kat,
okay,
you can do
I'm gonna do what she did, and she put olive oil first. So okay. As this cooks, let's talk about Miss Bella Hadid. I think she's gorgeous.
Yeah.
She is like one of my favorite models now to watch, just because I feel like her style, and I think like her look is just really unique, and it just, I don't know, it's just really appealing to me right now. She's pretty hot right now. I do follow her, yes.
I know, and this is her second pasta recipe that went viral. So Kat, I think you made her spicy vodka, right?
No.
What?
No, you're getting it mixed up. That was Gigi's. Remember, there's Gigi Hadid and Bella Hadid. Gigi's the blonde and Bella is the brunette.
Ooh, I stand corrected.
I'm gonna take my nuts out because mine's already toasted, so I'm gonna move that out of the way. Oh, and it's left my oil a little brown. Might be like a little extra flavor.
All right, pine nuts, done. What's next?
Okay. All right, same pan. We're gonna add a little bit more olive oil.
Olivio.
And then we're gonna throw in some yummy garlic slices. So I have about 5 garlic bulbs that I sliced thinly. So I'm gonna add that in.
I did 6 large ones. So this recipe, there is no measurements. So it's a kind of like gut feeling, just eyeballing it kind of thing. But it's pasta, so you really can't go too wrong with pasta. Woo, I love it.
Okay, my garlic is already toasted.
Oh,
I think my fire might be too high. How does yours look?
Moving along.
While Gina's garlic is still cooking, we're gonna slice up prosciutto up. Did it say how much prosciutto she used on her TikTok? I didn't remember seeing any of that.
On TikTok, it did not say, but the woman who also tried to copy it said she only used 6.
All right, this is an interesting recipe where we're just kind of guessing. So she does add a little bit more olive oil again at this step. I know it's a lot of olive oil, but again, there's really no sauce, so the olive oil is gonna give us that flavor and that coating. Garlic is done, and then we're going to add in our red pepper flakes.
What about the prosciutto? Do we add that yet?
I like it spicy.
Do we add the prosciutto?
So I added my red chili flakes.
So we add the prosciutto?
Yes. She adds a little basil into the prosciutto, and then she adds more basil as she tosses the pasta in. If you haven't, she actually shaved her parmesan, so like you could technically buy the ones that are already done, but I don't know, I always feel like it's fancier if you shave it yourself, right? Add in the basil.
So good. Do you think I would attract people if I wear like basil perfume, or if I like rubbed it on myself? Can you see this? Crispy garlic, crispy prosciutto.
Add your pine nuts back in. All right, and then add your spaghetti. Spaghetti.
So that was good. I added some extra olive oil, and then now we're gonna add the parmesan. How much do you say? I think this is when you measure with your heart. When you put it in and you just think, ooh, that looks good, then you put in the right amount. Can you see this? Doesn't this look good? Now we're gonna plate it up, add some garnish, and manja. Something about this dish is so fancy. I think I'm gonna have a glass of wine all by myself. Help me. How do I get into this wine?
I'm ready.
Right, 1, 2, 3. I get some prosciutto in there. It is light. It's still got the cheese flavor that I love in pastas. The crispy prosciutto. I feel a little heat from the chili peppers, just enough. And I have no guilty feelings eating this. So good. Did you add enough garlic? Like, I think I love it because of all the garlic. And I like that there's minced and sliced, because the minced one will be more thorough and spreading throughout the dish with each bite, but then the sliced ones are like that nice pop of like strong garlic flavor, if you like garlic. I
know it's the type of the pasta, but you think that it would have benefited from like a little pasta water? Do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little dry. I almost feel like maybe it would have creamed up the Parmesan cheese that was in the pan, just to help it coat a little bit better.
But otherwise, super simple, easy to make, and I was just gonna say something to make when I have a friend over. And then I remembered, Kat pointed out how I always wish that I had friends over. I'm lonely.
She's lonely.
Thanks for joining, and we hope that you will try this at home. And if you do, let us know how it goes. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss our next video. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye. Now, I'm gonna massage it.